In this third video blog, let's speak about how to secure your secure communication device. Okay, so let's say that you choose an old device, an old tablet, Android or Apple is okay too. This, for example, is an old iPod, and you downloaded a communication messenger. It can be any type, better if it is end-to-end encrypted, and try to choose the most secure ones. And not always you will be able to download it to your older device, but there are a lot that are still working on all the major devices and operating systems. The important thing is not to keep any contacts on your device, and try to add contacts only when you need to communicate. Another thing is that if you use your communication app, the one you choose, always log out. Of course, the best is when you finish your session, just to delete completely the app and then reinstall it again the next time you use it. This device, as discussed on the video blog number 1, should work mainly, it should be mainly offline and get online through a secure server, a secured router, only when you need to communicate, pass information, or talk over the internet, voice over IP. Now, in case you want to be even more secure, okay, so the best thing to do is to just erase everything. Erase, it means make a total reset of the system, reset all settings or erase all content and setting and things like that. It means to restart, to reboot your entire device each time that you use it. Yes, it takes time, but it's cleaning up a little bit some memory that has been left there from your past communications. You have to do it once in a while. It will be very easy because, for example, here you see some apps, but you will have to remove all the apps and use only one. You don't need any other apps, and this communication app, better always to remove it at the end of the day, or whenever you feel that you need more security, that in case your device will fall in the wrong hands, they will be able to extract information from it. So those are the things to remember. Of course, if the counterpart with whom you are communicating is not using one of these kind of devices, or is not creating his own secure communication device, and you are communicating with his smartphone, so it's a total waste of time, because hackers can get all the information directly from his smartphone. So he needs also to have a kind of device that it's an additional device, a separate device, and install the same messenger on it, and use it only for communicating with you, and do all the all the routine that has been spoken in this video. This is the only way to create and secure communication that is more or less difficult to track and to intercept. Of course, everything can be hacked, but this is a form at least of communication that it's a little bit more secure than using your own device. Now you can ask maybe, how can I communicate with it when I'm on the move? So this is not a problem at all, because you can open a personal hotspot from your smartphone and transmit Wi-Fi to this Wi-Fi only device. And at that moment, you can then communicate wherever you are over the internet.